Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we will show you how to remove or how to replace your cigarette lighter for the rear seat guys. Rear cigarette lighter, also known as rear power outlet. Stay with us, we'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the videos guys for all the work we do here at the shop. If you need to buy any tools, parts for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get everything for super good price guys. Now you guys have to do that the correct way, otherwise you can severely damage your console, your trim guys there. We're going to explain all that, but you have to do quite a bit of disassembly to get to it, so stay with us and we're going to cover that now. So next guys, we in order to get to the rear cigarette lighter or power outlet, we need to remove the arm lid cover in order to get to it, and we'll explain that now. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that and we'll continue. So let me show you guys what we need to do first. Right here we have two screws that we need to remove. Okay, you can see one coming out. Now second one guys is coming loose. Okay, now right here underneath that flap we need to remove it. Now things get a little bit more complicated and I will explain in a second why. Because we have the USB cable and the auxiliary cable here guys. So now in order to disconnect them you have to reach from the back, but you cannot reach from the back unless you remove two bolts, and I'll explain where those are now. So removing this one now. Okay, let me just grab those screws and pull them out. Okay, so they're not in the way. Okay, perfect. Now guys, let me explain what else we need to do. So now guys, we're going to lift that thing up, but you cannot pull it out unfortunately. Okay, it's not possible because we have the cables. Okay, the cables for the right there for the USB and auxiliary port as well. So now right here in the back, okay, you just lift it up. And there is two more that we need to remove, two more screws like that guys. So let me see, or I'll be able to pull it out. No, I will be able, it will come out guys. So once I disconnect them, okay, I'll show you what needs to be done. Okay, let me just grab a screwdriver now to push in here. Okay, you can see that thing comes out. Now how you attach it guys, okay, right here. Okay, let's focus here inside now. That here guys, that black thing, okay, it slides up and down. This is for the USB. Okay, when it comes down like that, okay, you unhook it guys and it comes loose. This thing right here, okay, you just press in here and you pull it out as well, and you can see that thing will come out. So let me show you what to do next. So now we have three screws that we need to remove towards the back with a Phillips screwdriver guys. One, two, I just dropped that one. Good thing it's still here. Number three now, right here. And the armrest lid should come out. Okay, almost coming out guys. Okay, let me get that bolt loose. Perfect. Now if I come towards the front and pull it out, okay, you can see guys, the armrest lid came out of the car just like that. With that cover out of the way now guys, let me explain why we did that. Because right here now we have two hidden bolts, and if you do not remove those bolts you're going to break the hose, and later it may not close good, and your armrest lid cover may not function correctly guys. So what I'm going to do now, okay, right here in the corner there is just two screws that we need to remove. Okay, perfect, just like that. So one is almost out. Okay, black screw, guys, like that. Okay, check it out. Now we have one more right there. This is the second one. Many people will not think about that because most of the ones, the back just has clips, but this one has screws, otherwise you cannot remove it. Perfect. Now I grab it and it has 4 clips. We grab it, pull it out. Okay, and this is your cigarette lighter outlet. Okay, down there. So what I'm going to do now, okay, right here, we need to press in. Okay, let me press in and disconnect it and I'll show you guys. Okay, that thing right there. Okay, that's where you press in, disconnect it, and this is, guys, okay, right here your cigarette lighter socket. Now you can see the power outlet. Now removing that thing, guys, it's not so complicated, but you actually have to remove the cigarette lighter first, okay, before you can pull the socket, and I'll show you how to do that. Let me just find a small screwdriver, guys. Small screwdriver somewhere here. Okay, we have one here, right? I was looking for another one that's a little bit small. Now when you open it, right here you have one hole, okay, and one on this side. You have 2 holes, guys, 2 clips, so you need to push one, okay, in, and the cigarette lighter will need to come up, guys. So let me show you now. Okay, it's a little bit complicated design, but eventually it comes up. So I'll try to see if I can do it from here, because this is the same clip, okay, right there. Otherwise we won't be able to remove it, guys. So let me see what I'll do. I'll just push in here just a little bit. And a little bit on this side. And we're almost out, but not quite yet. But what I found out, if you just push a little bit harder, the clips will come out from here. So that way you can remove it as well. This clip here or this one. Now if you need to replace the cap, all we have to do, okay, just put it here, get it loose and replace the cap. But that's how you guys remove the rear cigarette lighter. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you, okay, trying to do that repair. Please let us know, guys, if the video is helpful. If you need help with something, just let us know, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.